Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today underlined the need of hand-in-hand by his government with pressure groups and the masses in curbing drug menace from the Manipur society. He stated this during a press meet held at the CM Secretariat Imphal today. The press meet was also attended by Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu, Director General of Police L.M. Khaute, and top-ranking police officials. People are facing inconveniences as the road leading to the helipad at Harinagar Jiribam is left in bad condition. Besides, founder of Social Welfare Association Jiribam Priyo Kumar Mainam said there is shortage of waiting shed for passengers and no separate toilets for male and female. President of Zeliangrong Human Rights Protection Forum, Robert Gonmai, expressed displeasure over the Manipur government's decision to extend the service of retired IFCD Chief Engineer G. Robindra Sharma. Talking to media at Chingmairong, Robert Gonmai further said that Robindra Sharma was retired from his service in 2017, but a cabinet meeting in 2018 had decided to extend his service as officer on special duty for 6 months. The One Manipur Downloading Peace conducted a tree plantation program at the India Peace Memorial Complex located at Maibam Lokpaching, Maibam. Publisher of Sangai Express, Risikan Sapam, and advisor of One Manipur Downloading Peace, C.H. Ibohal, attended the event. Risikan said the program aims to make a greener Manipur. Ignite Club organized a workshop on Bloom Beauty Salon at Lamyanba Sanglen Palace Compound, Imphal, the enthusiasts in beauty and salon industry. Business head of Natural Salon and Spa, managing director of Ignite Club, Chinglemba, and makeup artist Jenny Khurai were present during the workshop. Pump House number 1 of Loktak project will resume supply of water from September 15 after halting a month due to technical failure. Some unidentified miscreants shot a man at point-blank range in Kumarpara area in Guwahati city last evening. The person who has been shot at point-blank range by a gang of 5 has been identified as Shyam Sundar Ratawa. Shyam is an employee at Jagdamba Iron and Steel Industry Private Limited. Shyam Sundar Ratawa was rushed to Marwari Hospital in critical condition.